Monday. I am still at work. I'm still working. I'm waiting on 4 o'clock because I've never been so ready to get off work in my life. Like, baby, 4 o'clock me right now, because at 4 o'clock, I don't even care if I hit sign out. I'm slamming this computer. Like, that's it. It's already 1:30. I'm about to have my lunch. Look at this, y'all. This is a struggle meal. Like, what is this? I got some tater tots and some little popcorn chicken. Yeah, I really don't be cooking like I used to. When my mom used to come over, I cooked all the time, you know, because I gotta make sure like my mama eat. Like, I don't care if I eat. Y'all see what I'm eating right now. But my mama, I gotta make sure my mama good. But anyway, today is my family's little get together. We having a Mexican fiesta at my cousin's house because my cousin is visiting from out of town. I'm just gonna all get together and have like a little party. So yeah, it should be interesting. They were like, Megan, where are you gonna cook? What are you gonna bring? Alcohol. I'm bringing alcohol. Don't count on me to bring anything else. On a Friday when I just got off work and y'all wanna have a party, alcohol, that's all I got in me. I'm gonna mix up a little, bringing that. That's it. But yeah, I'm gonna make a spicy margarita, which I have been obsessed with lately. But my dogs, they so ghetto. But I'm making spicy margarita. I am gonna make guac. I might show you guys me making it, but I brought like an already made little container of guac, and then I got like 4 other avocados that I'm just gonna add to and make it a bigger portion without me having to really do a lot. So yeah, that should be interesting. But I want you guys to see how crazy my family is. They're nuts, psychotic, but it should be a good time. I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're just gonna hang out. So yeah, finish my lunch, finish work, check back with y'all later. Okay, so now for my guac, I got some vegetables from the garden, just some pepper, some tomatoes, and I brought this from Aldi, best restaurant style guacamole. Y'all, I'm gonna take this and then I'm gonna add to it. So I got some more fresh avocados that I'm gonna be adding just to stretch it, but this is gonna be the base because y'all, I just got off work. When I say y'all, I don't be having time, like I'm not doing nothing. I didn't even want to cook at all. So we gonna fake it till we make it. I'm not gonna talk because I'm just want this to kind of rush through, but I'm gonna just let y'all watch me get this guac together. I don't have cilantro. I don't know if I just said that. I forgot the cilantro, but my sister is gonna bring some, so I'll just add to it once I get there. You can just add to it because yeah, don't have time. Like, look at that. That ain't enough guac for nobody. Oh, I also got some limes. I cannot forget the lime juice. We're gonna need this for the cocktail too, but I do got some lime. I like to use lime and lemon juice in my guac. They both taste very different. Don't get it twisted, so I like to use both. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna let y'all watch me make this guac, honey. gonna start on my spicy margarita. I'm just gonna be using regular jalapenos. I'm gonna rinse and cut these up. I think about 4 should be good enough for our spicy syrup. 4 is probably actually a lot, but we're gonna do 4. So I'm just gonna slice these up. Okay, maybe 3 will be enough. Don't want it too spicy, but you want to have enough spice. I'm making a big tub. Oh God, these little nets. That's what I hate about the summertime. Fruit flies, they irritate my entire soul. I think I'm just gonna do 3 of these jalapenos chopped up for the spicy marg. Now that I got that, I'm just gonna start prepping my simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar to water. So I want about 1.5 cups of this. So I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of sugar and then 1.5 cups of water to make the simple syrup. 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup. Well, it's a lot of simple syrup. I probably don't even use all this, but whatever I don't use, of course, you can store it in the fridge. You can store it in the fridge for up to a week to 2 weeks. So this is what it looks like. You can still see your sugar. And once your sugar starts to dissolve, this is going to eventually go clear. So you can see now that the sugar is almost starting to dissolve in the pot here. It's still a little cloudy, but it's going to start to dissolve as it gets thicker. I'm going to go ahead and add our jalapenos right into there and just let that all cook together. I have it on medium high heat just so that I can get the sugar to dissolve, but then once all the sugar kind of dissolves and it goes clear, I'm going to take it down to a low boil, and then I'm just going to let that simmer on low. And once these jalapenos start to soften up from being in this hot mixture, I'm going to take a mullet and start to, I don't know if it's called a mullet, but I'm going to start to mash them up basically to release some of those spices. Okay, so this is pretty much what your syrup should look like after a while. It's been steeping in this hot liquid, but I'm just going to take this mold, I don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to start smashing the jalapenos to release that spice. And I'm going to let it sit in here some more until it's time to put our drink together. So I'm going to go get dressed while this is kind of steeping some more. And again, we're just smashing these jalapenos to release those spices. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw my cocktail together because I'm running late, but I'm using this Zing Zing all natural margarita mix, and then I'm using 1800 reposado, and then I also have some lime juice, and then we're going to be using the simple syrup that we made. So start by adding the liquor. I think I'm probably just going to use this whole thing because this thing is pretty big. So I already cleaned my container out, so that's already ready to go. Yeah, just pour the whole thing, girl. We're not taking no shots. I'm gonna pour that. I'm more than likely gonna pour the whole thing in a margarita mix. So like if you're making a big quantity like this, you do not need to measure really anything because everything is just going in at this point.
That's for your vlog.
Yeah.
Can I give you a shout out?
You got more followers?
I know people.
Yeah, show me out.
Welcome to Megan's channel.
And what?
Welcome to Megan's channel. I just want to let y'all know she did such wonderful job with making this dish. These dishes.
I did them all by myself.
I just can't wait to taste the liquor because I know it's gonna be bomb.
Amazing. Amazing.
He's supposed to. He's trying to cake. He's trying to cake to everybody. How much you want?
It's not that bad.
It's good.
It was good.
It's not good. It's not that bad. Just don't push it.
Bitch, you is a fucking taste it, Kaylin. Drink the whole motherfucking thing. It's not sour, it's sweet. There's nothing sour about it. Kaylin, you pouring out my drink? What's it giving?
It's the pepper at the end.
You don't taste the pepper at the end.
At the end, you taste it.
It's cool though. But
It's not bad. But that pepper.
Hobby.
We talking about the drink, the shit's dry. Bland.
What type of star?
Your beard is dry, it's bland. It ain't there.
On that, I will give it a 3.
What's up, dude?
A 3?
Yes.
You're disrespectful.
Just because
You're
it was just
disrespectful.
too much going on. It had a sweet taste, then it was like boom, salty.
This one's too full.
Girl, stop being a punk.
It's a shot. It's supposed to be filled up. This ain't even a shot.
You ready? Oh, we need one more.
You gonna say? I know you was gonna say.
Take the shot. Take the shot. What is our shotting, Katie? What is this for shotting?
Her Milano.
What Pilar she left?
She wants a little store.
She get some
You want it here? You want it dark?
We don't have dark. She wanted red.
What the hell is this? Alright, y'all ready? Applesauce? What the fuck is that? Mojito? Oh, this tequila?
Ready?
Toast to prosperity and growth.
Money.
Money.
Can I mess up your table? You supposed to take your cup and go boom. You ain't never did this. It was smooth.
They got it cold.
No, that shit wasn't smooth. It was hot.
That was smooth.
Well, you ain't got a cute cup like you got me drinking out of plastic.
I got a mixed drink over there.
Now we finna play. Oh no.
You ready?
Why we playing Uno? Let's play hands up.
Oh, we could play heads and Megan was gonna play heads. So she wanna be on the varsity team so
Oh, yeah,
bad.
so bad.
She go.
Shit!
So go do
The thing was,
do what you do.
the name was Kanye West. And he was like, the name was Kanye West. He was like, he's from Chicago and he got a shoe brand. She was like, shit!
No. You pointed to who the hell uses that name?
He did. He was like,
What shoes are these?
everybody was like,
You would have said Michael Jordan.
that's what I said. Shaq's not even from Chicago.
Listen, I wasn't.
He is? Shaq not from Chicago.
But is Michael Jackson from Chicago?
Michael Jackson.
Not Michael Jackson though. You talking about basketball? You saying
Y'all know who I mean, Michael Jordan.
No.
No.
He played for Chicago.
Y'all know Michael Jordan.
He also played for the Lakers.
Why?
I told you not to give it to
Give
him.
you all fucking tequila, bro.
That's what a shot is.
Now he mad because he got all. Tell Katie to come on. Don't feed her kids yet.
Oh yeah, give me the thing. You never tasted it.
I'll take one now.
She said, don't feed your kids.
I did say that. I said don't feed her yet.
JoJo at her.
Why you bringing this time? Let's go. Get it now. Hold on. Grab that phone.
Get the baby.
What's boomerang?
Alright, Gwen.
I'm listening.
You gonna go in, do a toast, and go out. Keep up with the speed of everybody. She don't have Instagram. In, out. It don't matter. She got Facebook. I'll put you on Facebook. One.
Where I don't have nothing to do
You
with
ain't got no shot glass?
No. Where my real shot glass? You know, I don't like this fake shit.
Kelly.
Someone so you can take the shot. Mommy, you want to take the shot? No, you can't.
Girl, that's a long
I run around.
It's gonna be weird face.
Say the word.
I be welcome.
You better have an empty cup and pretend you drinking.
Go get you a cup
Well,
of
she
and take another
poured me
shot.
too much. I put half of it back
Put it back in what?
in the bottle.
Go get that cup so you can take another shot.
He don't.
It's in here.
Come on. Do the boomerang.
In. No, is it in first or is it
Wait, I
out?
gotta stand up.
Let him do a boomerang.
Ready? You gotta say ready, set, go.
Yeah.
You gotta put it in some more. I can't see it.
In.
Wait.
Say,
What do we do?
Do it over again. One more time.
Yeah.
One more time.
Y'all
Put
slow.
your shit in the middle. Long time down. Okay, and go.
y'all guys are so messed up.
Y'all miss me taking my shot. Damn.
You gotta make sure you eat because I'm not making dinner. You just look like a little bitty girl sitting up in there with time.
You guys spend the night.
You got to be nuts. What?
Be black and go to work.
Recording, you sneaky motherfucker.
When I look at my
We gonna go to the strip club. I'm taking you out tonight. Look, here.
Good morning from the bed still, obviously. It is 9:30 in the morning. Today is going to be a beach day. We're going to Yeah, so I'm not sure what happened to my audio at this point, but I was basically saying that today we're going to go to the Indiana sand dunes. We're going to go hiking and basically have a beach day. I'm going to be meeting my family there, so yeah. I'm trying to start that car and it's like so freaking noisy, but hopefully you guys can see me, hear me, whatever. But I just got my little book bag and I'm gonna start packing my stuff. I got this little beach mat. I think I ordered this off Amazon, but it's like a little water resistant mat that you put over the sand. So I'm gonna put that in. My sunscreen, I like this Kula and then Kapari, but these are both of the sunscreens that but these are both of the sunscreens that I like to use. I'm just gonna be packing that. I got me a Powerade. I'm also gonna be bringing my water canister, my swimsuit from Shein. I'm gonna just throw that in the bag. I have a little first aid kit that I usually take with me when I go hiking. But I don't know if it's really necessary for me to bring because I'm not doing anything crazy. I think I'm gonna leave my first aid kit. It's like a path type hiking. I don't think that I should need that. What else? Sitting on it, my little hand sanitizers. Because I'm gonna be eating, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna put this in here. And then the rest of the stuff is just gonna hold my filming equipment, aside from my water canister, and I think that should be it. I gotta put my dress in here. Oh, and then also I have this super massive beach towel that I'm gonna be packing with me. That's it. Okay, so I have my clothes laid out here. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. It's just a two-piece set that I got from Marshall's. It's like super cute. I love it. And then I got this like little tube top dress that I'm gonna be wearing to the beach over my bikini or whatever, because I'm gonna change in a car. Hopefully it's like no peeping Tom or nobody weird like looking at me change in my car, but I'm gonna take this off and put on my swimsuit after my hike, because I just feel like I should go hiking first, because I don't want to be like tired. Like sitting out in the sun at the beach like literally drains me, so I feel like it makes sense to go hike first. So yeah, that's the plan, and I'm gonna just be putting this on with some like green Nike gym shoes. I'm so happy to have a full tank of gas, but y'all look, it's 90 degrees. 90. It's so hot. Perfect day for the beach, but hiking, maybe not so much. Okay guys, we are finally in the car, like on our way there. Traffic is disgusting. I just passed an accident on the expressway. It was like a 6-car accident. It was horrible. So it's like really, really backed up. It says that it's gonna take me like an hour and 20 minutes to get here, which is ridiculous, because normally it's like literally, like typically it's like a freaking 40-minute drive from my house, 45 minutes, but an hour and 20 minutes let me know that it's crazy. And I'm meeting up with my cousins, and one of my cousins is already there, like super late. But she said that it was like 25 minutes just to get in the park, because you have to pay to get in. It's like $12 to go to the sand dunes. But she said it was like 25 minutes just sitting there waiting to pay to get into the park. And then she said the lot is crowded, the beach is full. I'm like, y'all, I did not pick a good day to come. Like honestly, last time I was there, it was not that crowded, but I guess everybody had the same idea today. So yeah, really, really crowded. It's not looking, because I'm behind schedule, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to make my friend baby shower, which really sucks, because as you can see I got her gift in the back. I was just gonna get dressed and, you know, go there afterwards, but if I miss it, I'm still gonna make sure that I go and drop her gift off and see this little belly of hers. So yeah, that's the plan. But yeah, just on the road. It's about, like I said, an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna put my music on and just vibe out and let it do what it do, boo. But this is the line. The line says 25 minutes. Okay guys, so we are basically here. I'm waiting in line to pay to get into the park. The line is so freaking long. My cousin did tell me that she waited in line for like 20 minutes, and that's what it says. It says like I'm here, but it says 25 minutes until I reach my destination, which is literally showing that I'm at my destination. So that just like goes to show how congested it is. It's so crowded today. I guess everybody said 90 degrees, let's go to the beach. Sucks. But yeah, this line is like crawling, barely freaking moving. The drive here wasn't that bad. So maybe it was traffic for sure. So it's probably like an extra 20 minutes added on my travel time. But I think the other 25 minutes with the hour and 25 minutes is just the 25 minutes it's gonna take me to get into the park. And if it's this crowded get into the park, I just know there's not gonna be anywhere to park. It's just gonna be a fool. It is gonna be a fool. I really hate that I suggested this, because I mean, it's just a lot going on. It's a lot going on right now. But we've already gotten here, so it makes no sense to change our mind. And I thought the beach on 35th was bad and like crowded, but baby, This don't got nothing on that. I do not have a good car for vlogging. I have my phone, like, I don't have a dashboard, like a full dashboard, so I don't have anything to prop my phone on. It's like a little sunglasses holder that I have my phone sitting in, and it keeps dropping every 5 seconds. I'm just irritated. I have to pee so fucking bad. Oh my god, I'm just like literally gripping my vagina together because I literally, like, I have to pee. I really want to get out the car and go in one of these bushes. Like, let me show you guys. Over there, somewhere in a bush. Would totally be okay with that right now because I have to relieve myself so bad. Like, I think it was this juice, this beet juice that I had. These little cold pressed juices always make me. Finally made it to the booth where you pay. I did the cash lane, which moving a lot faster, so almost time to go in. So you guys can see the beach is over there, further down. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick hike. This is the path. I actually have not ever been this way. Every time I come here, I find myself somewhere else different, but I wanna see what's this way. I'm not really sure where this path goes, but we're just gonna walk it to see. Sand, so steep. Oh, geez, Louise. Okay, so I'm pretty much just walking. Don't quite know where I'm at. It's a lot of sand though. It's like a little sandy path, but this is not where I normally come to go hiking. So this is interesting. Hoping no wild animals hop out on me because I am by myself. I saw a couple of little geckos running around. So cute. But yeah, I'm not really sure where this path leads to. We're just gonna walk and see. I'll tell you one thing, it's some good exercise because, baby, thighs are burning. Whew. I'm gonna walk to the top of this hill and see what's over here. I don't think that this really goes anywhere. You guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. I don't know where I am though, so I think I'm gonna head back to the beach area because this is not the path that I was looking for. It's like no real trail over here. You can either go that way, and I think it's a little path that goes that way, but I'm not really sure where that takes you. So I'm gonna play it safe and go back down. So I'm not really sure. This isn't the path that I'm looking for the hikes, but I'll show you guys what it looks like once I find it. Oh gosh, going down this slippery, slopey hill. Jeez Louise. Oh. Not really scared of bugs, but if a snake come out, I might just lose my shit. Okay, I'm trying to locate my people. The cell service out here sucks, so I can't get anybody. It's kind of annoying. If you was looking for a workout, oh, this is it. I haven't even been out here that long, and my face and body is literally drenched. So hot. Oh my god. I have no fucking clue where I am.
Okay, so let's go back and get them. Come here, Meg.
It's the beach down there. There's a little path down there that you can walk to the beach. Yeah. Little overview again. So pretty. So hot, you guys. I'm literally drenched. I'm more obsessed with this side than the beach side, but yeah, I couldn't walk that trail. I think I would get lost, and by the fact that I'm by myself, it's like a no. But I'm about to get ready to head back down and try to find my cousin. I'm hoping that they're on this side of the beach because there's multiple sides. You got like the west side, the south side. I'm at the west. Oh, cute bird spotting. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I could find them. The cell service sucks, so nobody can find anybody. This is why we should have just all left together. But whatevs. I'm gonna go back down these stairs. I need to put on my swimsuit. It's in the car. Y'all, I had to pee so bad. I went down there in those bushes to use the bathroom. I just could not hold it. So no bathrooms out here. Back down these stairs. I need to get my umbrella out my car and put on my swimsuit. I'm probably gonna have to just put a towel around me and change on the beach. So yeah, it's not looking good.
You know what got me crazy because all these abuse things, the little boy, like, they found him. Yeah, they found him. Callie! I can't swear.
Man.
Y'all niggas need to send me some bread, bro. I just sent you $50. Fuck you. Yo, son is getting his booty cheek. Fuck you, go away.
Sand fleas.
Wash my ass now. Don't do me like this.
I said sand fleas.
No, it was a flat.
Oh, it was a flat on your booty?
Don't wash their ears before they come to the beach.
First of all, I took a bath today before I came to the beach. Thank you very much. The other time I did not take a bath before I went to the beach was because... No, I took a... No, I didn't. Why am I bathing to come to the beach? I don't bath to come to the beach because you're finna get in the water. So why would I bath to come to the beach? Why would I do that?
Megan, could you walk to that store back there?
No, ma'am. I'm about to walk up this hill and go hiking before the sun.
You're not fucking
down.
hiking.
Kira,
Should we call your mama?
why? What time is it?
7 o'clock. And this should be, ho.
Ain't no milk in there. It ain't. I'm sorry. There's no milk in there, boo-boo. No milk in them titties. Ain't no milk in them titties. Ain't no milk in them titties. Titties, 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 titties. Titties, titties, titties. I'm about to go.
I'm not leaving you over here by yourself with no service. Like, can you please stop?
Kira,
No.
I will be fine.
No.
Yes.
Can't you remember that one day you had a cousin?
One that you said that you was gone.
Because I'm trying to figure out what the
Thailand,
fuck.
why? Dark. So I'm not gonna stay out here too long because it's gonna be sundown in like an hour. So I'll probably just do a quick hike, turn around, come back. Plus I'm by myself, so not really a smart thing to do. I do got my pepper spray and my knife though, in case anybody try anything crazy. But yeah, this is really nice. Like, look at, oh my God. I am going to go this way. So nice. I'm like super sweaty though from being out at the beach. I'm not gonna go too far because I don't want to get lost. It's a lot of twists and turns, so you can either go to the left, go to the right, go this, blah, blah. I'm trying to remember where I went, because there was a couple I just passed, and she was yelling at her husband about being lost. That wouldn't be a cute situation for me, because I'm by myself, so yeah, we're gonna not do that. I think I'm gonna go down a little further, turn around. It's a lot of foliage, and can't really see through here. Not good for a young lady walking by herself, but I do really love it. I will definitely come back in the daytime and do this. I'm gonna get ready to turn around soon because these bugs are like literally eating me alive. I just can't do it. No off, no nothing, and I still have on my swimsuit, so I'm not feeling it. Still going at it though. Do y'all see this? I'm literally drenched. I could literally feel the heat pulsating off my body. I just put my phone in the GPS. Says it's gonna take me about 60 minutes to get home. About 60 minutes to get home. I am so ready to go the fuck home. I'm hot. That little time that I was out there, them mosquitoes ate me alive. Mind you, I didn't get bit not once while I was at the beach. But in those woods, oh my God, they done tore my little body up. Cannot wait to go home and take a shower, take a Tylenol because my hair hurt, and get out of these clothes. Oh, take off this wig, baby. This wig gotta go.
video then.
Go ahead and stop the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog with a bunch of randomness, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Bye.